Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 5. I can't believe we're in the second to last week of the class. This class is flying by. This week, you only have one chapter to read, chapter 6 in our text, Individuals with Intellectual Disabilities, and a couple of videos to watch, one of which is an older documentary. It's from 1992. It's called Educating Peter. And even though it's a little on the old side, I believe it still really does resonate with regard to inclusion and students with disabilities. So you're going to watch that video and take a look at the discussion prompt before you watch the video, because there are going to be some prompts you're going to respond to in the discussion with regard to the Educating Peter video. Your general impressions, looking at the kind of strategies the teacher, Mrs. Collins, used, and then taking a really good look at how Peter's peers were involved. So that's our discussion for this week. I'm looking forward to it. I really do feel, again, that the Educating Peter video, although old, is still really applicable. And I'm really looking forward to our discussion. We do have our second exam this week. Again, it is an open book exam. There are 20 multiple choice questions and an essay question. You will see that in one of my announcements from this week, there is actually a picture of a page in the textbook. I know that I refer to a page in the textbook in the exam, and people have different editions of the book. Sometimes people have the electronic version of the book versus the hard copy. So I took a picture of the page to make sure everybody has the same resource in order to answer that essay question. If you have any questions about it, or you have difficulty opening the picture, anything like that, just throw me an email and I'd be happy to send it to you individually. That really is about it for week 5. I want to remind you about your week 6 assignments. There are no late assignments accepted in week 6, so make sure you're geared up for your larger assignments in week 6, including your observation. There is a BAPAP observation form that you're able to grab directly from the assignment. Everything that you observe, it's really from the perspective of how you're watching the teacher. What is the lesson like? What is the environment like? And really taking, I think of it as almost a verbal snapshot, writing down what you see and the behaviors that you see. And then hopefully you'll be able to make connections to what we have learned in this class. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. And I look forward to our conversation about Educating Peter this week. Have a great week. Bye-bye.